Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to report reviews on Google Maps. If you find a review on Google Maps that violates Google's policies, you can report it for review. So to start, open Google Maps and sign into your account. Next, click the search bar at the top and search for the business. Once you're here, scroll down to the review section. Click reviews. Now find the review you want to report. So let's scroll down and look for the review that we want to report. For example, this one. What you need to do is to click or tap the three dots next to the review. So here you have two options. You have share review or report review. So since you want to report this, let's select report review. And it will bring you to another window. Just wait for it to process. So once you're here, choose the reason for reporting the review. So you have here spam, conflict of interest, harmful, bullying, or harassment. So choose one.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And follow the instructions to submit your report. So click submit. Then Google will review the report and determine whether the review violates its policies. Keep in mind that simply disagreeing with a review or receiving a negative review doesn't necessarily mean it will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.